Today we are going to learn how to cast your screen, Android screen, to desktop computer. You can use you have to download AirServer software on your PC. You can download 64-bit, 32-bit, or you can download it for Mac, Xbox and Surface Hub. I'm going to download 64-bit version because my Windows is 64-bit. After download is complete, open and double click and install the setup file. It's fairly easy and straightforward, and it's like any other applications that you install. After installing, we are going to find the app and open it. AirServer Universal. Press try. You will have 31 days free trial. Press finish. The server is open. AirServer Universal is open. After installing the desktop app, we are going to our mobile device and go to Google Play Store and search for AirServer Connect. Click install and wait for installation to complete. After installation is complete, we are going to open it. After opening, select your computer from the drop-down list, and you should see a prompt, "Don't show again," and start. It should be fairly easy and straightforward. Now you should see your mobile device screen on your desktop PC. Enjoy. See you next time. Till then, bye.